Yo, 𝐸 dealer over here, and this right here is Honda I-VTEC Hybrid. 2 owners only, non-PHV unit, and in excellent condition. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beautiful, economical, white color Honda 7-seat. As you can see, the paintwork is in great condition on this car. Comes with a very nice set of sport trims. Have a look at the side profile. And behind, yes guys, economical because why? Hybrid vehicle. Now let's check out the boot space. As you can see, the boot space is quite big. Both of the seats can be lifted up. I deployed one seat to show you. Yes guys, this is a 7-seater. And behind actually got quite a good leg room for your rear passenger. Even got cup holders for your rear passenger also. Alright, later I'll show you how to get in. Both side doors are fully electric. Leather is in fantastic condition. As I mentioned guys, this car is non-PHV unit, so it's been very well kept. And to go behind is actually very easy. With one hand, you press this. As you can see, big room for you to get in behind. And this is your seat. Yes, of course, both seats can put down. Now let's close this. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice and spacious cabin. First things first, we have 3-spoke full leather steering wheel. It's multifunctional, as you can see. What I really like about Honda I-VTEC is that this speedometer cluster is far away and makes it really easy to see. You don't really need to take your eyes off the road. Here we have upgraded Android Play. As you can see, comes with Apple Carplay. Very cool, very useful. Wireless, by the way. Aircon controls here. This is your gear selector. Over here we have control buttons for your doors. You can open them from driver position. Also very convenient. One thing I really like about Honda I-VTEC is this small mirror over here, which lets you keep a look out at your rear passenger. So if you are traveling with kids, you can constantly keep an eye on them. Very useful. Also, this car got a lot of storage. Over here you can put some things. Over here also got storage. And on the doors also, you see, got cup holders here. Very well ergonomically designed car. And here also got very comfortable for your elbow and for passenger as well. You see, the leather is in really good condition guys as well. All right, over here we have a very nice wood finish. It's like very super dark brown, but looks very classy. Overall, it's a very nice car. Alright guys, in terms of driving, this car is really very good. In terms of depreciation, you're looking about 17k. And in terms of you still got 1 year and 11 months left. So just perfect if you're looking for a short-term drive. Now, you've seen this car, you want to see it in person, you all know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.